Laboratory quality is essential to the healthcare team. We have to get the right answer every time on time, and our patients and our providers depend on that, and they deserve that.
CAP is the gold standard for patient care because it's driven by pathologists and laboratory professionals. It's really unique among accrediting organizations that it's such laboratory-focused people, and that really brings a big benefit when the subject matter expertise is there.
The lab is really the center spoke of the hub of the medical delivery system.
For more than 75 years, the College of American Pathologists has partnered with clinical and anatomic pathology laboratories to improve patient care worldwide. With our exclusive focus on laboratory quality built on the foundation of pathologist experts, we provide a single source for solutions in 4 key areas: laboratory accreditation, proficiency testing or external quality assessment, commonly known as PTEQA, quality improvement, and protocols and guidelines.
CAP is our go-to platform and partner for ensuring continuous quality improvement. They offer such a breadth of options and quality management tools and inspection processes to keep us on our toes and to keep us improving.
Hospital leadership often finds a lot of value with CAP accreditation because they need to know and understand that the laboratory is staying in compliance and providing the highest quality test results for patient care. Pathology is always evolving, as is all of healthcare, and one of the great benefits of CAP is that they really work to keep us informed on what's going on.
The CAP Laboratory Accreditation Program is recognized around the world as the leading standard for quality and excellence.
CAP accreditation is important to us. It provides that assurance that we're providing high quality results on a consistent basis.
At the heart of the process, discipline-specific checklists provide a clear roadmap to operate a high-quality laboratory. These checklists are updated annually to reflect the latest advances in laboratory medicine, technology, and regulatory standards.
It's sort of like an executive coach on paper, the checklist, letting us know what we should be doing well.
The accreditation checklists really are highly adaptable. They can be used for the smallest laboratory that's doing 1 or 2 tests in a tiny little outpost in one of our emergency rooms, for example, all the way up to our high complexity laboratories right here in the hospital.
That ability to customize is very unique and very valuable for scaling the program to exactly what the laboratory needs.
The checklist saves us time when it comes time for the inspection prep, in that we know exactly what they are looking for.
Our unique, peer-based inspection model benefits both the lab being inspected and the team providing the inspection.
With the CAP inspection process, the team leader is a pathologist. And there's a lot of benefits to this because they're very involved in their own laboratory and understand the complexities not only of the regulations, but the practical implementation of those regulations.
They teach us, we teach them, while we're all under the hood looking at our laboratory processes. And all of those things help us to learn best practices, apply them, and share them. And that helps us all get better for the benefit of the patient.
In addition to clinical laboratory accreditation, the CAP offers a variety of specialty programs to meet the diverse needs of laboratories. With a comprehensive range of more than 700 PTEQA programs across 16 disciplines, the CAP provides laboratories with all the tools they need to verify the accuracy and reliability of their testing processes, and all from a single provider.
I would say we learned so much from the PTs. They are actually matching all our clinical values or close by to our clinical values. They always bring us rigorous exercises. What we learned from our CAP evaluation and from trending data was bias. So even though the results are within acceptable limits, did we have a positive bias? Did we have a negative bias?
Feedback from PT testing is very important. we can see how we are performing. One of the things that we like to keep is survey summary when it comes back, and we reference this when we're working with real patients.
The CAP is unique among PT providers in that the collective knowledge of our scientific resource committees comes from more than 500 pathologist and laboratory experts. These scientific committees design, develop, and continuously review our programs to ensure clinical relevance.
Being CAP accredited and using the CAP PT does help a laboratory to standardize their operations. It also provides continuous monitoring for the performance of those labs all the days that the CAP inspector is not there. The continuous monitoring helps identify problems before they become something that goes out to a patient.
CAP calibration, verification, and quality cross-check programs allow laboratories to measure and compare performance between instruments and across multiple locations.
Laboratories can improve their confidence in their patient testing results. For example, if you're doing an instrument comparison and results between your two instruments are 10% different, that might sound really good on paper, but when you look and see that others in your peer group are only 4% difference, now you have something to look at.
The CAP Performance Analytics Dashboard provides a single, unified view of a laboratory's PT and accreditation performance.
It allows you to see the patterns over time so that you can make informed decisions in terms of quality improvement. It allows you to prepare for your inspections, to see, well, what happened last time, and it brings to the surface that information.
When I start at a new job or I take on new responsibility, often one of the first things I do is go look at the dashboard for the lab to see what's the history with PT testing been, how is the lab performing on inspections.
CAP cancer protocols and evidence-based guidelines help laboratory teams ensure they're following best practices to support clinical collaboration and better patient outcomes.
The cancer protocols, what we call synoptics in clinical practice, guide patient care. Our clinicians rely on them. Every time I go to tumor board, the CAP protocol, the cancer protocol, is front and center.
The cancer protocols have a standardized way of representing a patient's cancer case. There's implications there for research, for using that information for selection for clinical trials, and really importantly for public health.
The fact that they're created by pathologists and our clinician colleagues who really collaborate means that we really are creating something practical and usable, something that as a diagnostic pathologist I can pull up and use for me to guide my diagnostic algorithms. Evidence-based guidelines are always important in clinical care, but they're really important at the interface with innovation. I remember a time when we didn't do molecular testing on tumors, and those early evidence-based guidelines that were created by the Center around molecular testing were our roadmap for diagnostics.
Some of the common themes I hear during customer meetings are customers looking for assistance for their continuous pursuit for quality in their laboratories. And the CAP is well suited to assist our customers in that regard.
CAP helps give me confidence that I'm supporting better patient care and outcomes because they have a comprehensive approach to quality.
Contact the CAP to learn more about how we can work together utilizing the CAP's Laboratory Quality Solutions portfolio to advance the quality of patient care worldwide.